Okay, the fact that we're even talking about this outside of a sci-fi convention is amazing. Scientists and investors announced this week a project to reach the star closest to our solar system. Needless to say, there are challenges. But the technology that might make this plan work may just be developed here in Rochester. Jeff Rusak tells us how.
Starshot. The plan is not an easy one. Send a number of smaller probes the size of a cell phone on the back of a huge solar sail pushed by photonic lasers from the Earth to the nearest star.
And we're not talking about that star. That's the sun. We're talking about Alpha Centauri. It's 4.37 light years from Earth.
The plan may sound crazy. Any plan that has Stephen Hawking on its side has to carry a lot of weight. Right now, though, technology has to catch up to the idea. But some developments could happen here in Rochester. Photonics require optics, and when it comes to moving objects with a beam of light, Optimax is on the case.
We're working on technology to produce some of the components that might be useful for doing that, for achieving those goals.
At RIT, there may be a handful of discoveries that help propel the Starshot program.
The endeavor is impossible without the kinds of technologies we're developing.
The director of the Center for Detectors at RIT says the Institute has the resources to make key camera components for Starshot.
So we're interested in developing very small detectors, less than a millimeter in size. And that's important for this mission because the satellites, which we're used to as being big things, will be tiny.
RIT has already reached out to Starshot scientists to see how they can help. Starshot may be a long shot. It's planned to launch in roughly 20 years and take another 20 years to reach its target. But if successful, mankind's greatest feat could have Rochester's fingerprints all over it. Jeff Rusak, News 8.